In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chatbot with HubSpot. If you're looking to enhance your website's user experience, streamline customer support, or simply engage with your visitors in real time, setting up a chatbot is a fantastic solution. HubSpot makes the process intuitive and customizable, so whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, you'll be able to follow along. And if you don't already have a HubSpot account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive in. First, head over to the HubSpot website and log into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, look up to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Settings button. It looks like a small gear icon. Click on it to access your account settings. Give the page a moment to load, and you'll notice a sidebar menu running down the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll through this sidebar until you locate the Service section. Under this heading, you'll see an option labeled Chat Flows. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're on the Chat Flows page, it's time to create a new chatbot. Right in the center of the screen, you'll spot a button that says Create Chat Flow. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to choose the type of chat flow you want to set up. Select the website option. By doing this, you're ensuring that your chatbot will be able to engage directly with visitors on your website, which is the most common use case for this feature. Next, you'll be guided to configure the setup of your chat. Look for the Setup Chat option and click on it. This step is crucial because it allows you to properly configure how your chatbot will interact with visitors. When prompted to select a platform for your chat flow, choose the web option. This ensures that the chat function integrates seamlessly into your website's interface, giving users a smooth and professional experience. Now let's move on to customizing the chat widget. First, you'll want to personalize the greeting message that visitors will see when they start a chat. This is the first impression your chatbot will make, so consider crafting a welcoming and helpful message that sets the tone for the interaction. Once that's done, you can adjust the appearance of the chat widget. This includes options like changing the colors and selecting a theme that matches your website's design. Keeping your branding consistent not only looks great, but also enhances the overall user experience. Next up, let's set the chatbot's availability. Decide whether you want your chatbot to handle interactions 24/7 or only during specific hours. For example, if your team is available to step in during business hours, you might limit the chatbot's availability to evenings and weekends. On the other hand, if you want round-the-clock support, you can set it to always be active. This flexibility allows you to manage user expectations while ensuring that visitors always have a way to get the help they need. Finally, it's time to wrap up and finalize your setup. Follow any additional prompts provided by the HubSpot Setup Wizard. These prompts will guide you through the final configuration steps, ensuring that nothing important is missed. Once everything is set up, click on Verify Installation to confirm that your chatbot is active and ready to go. This step is key because it ensures that your chatbot is fully integrated with your website and ready to engage with visitors. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create and set up a chatbot using HubSpot, from navigating the settings to customizing its appearance and availability. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.